Redo, take two. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Timara and I do a little bit of this and also a little bit of that, but on top of that, I do this. So today we are doing a shrimp. We are just cooking some shrimp tacos. I don't know what I'm gonna talk about today, but I'm thinking a little bit of motivation, what motivates me and things like that, how to keep momentum going. Okay, so I'm gonna get my ingredients out. We're gonna do this dang thing. Keep watching. Till I see you again. What is this? Is this parsley? Oh my gosh. I don't think this is cilantro. I think it's parsley. That's pretty sad. This is fucking parsley! I can't even be teaching nobody recipes when I don't even get the right things. I'm still gonna try to make it happen. It's like street taco. I'm cutting up the onions now. Shrimp tacos on a rainy day. Shrimp tacos every way. But yeah, I think what motivates me mostly is just like knowing how good I can be and like all the things I can accomplish, because I think life, you know, it's about being legendary in your own way. Knowing how good I can be motivates me. I think another thing that motivates me is when I accomplish goals. So it's like when I set a goal and I accomplish it, it motivates me. If I set a goal and I don't accomplish it, when I set a goal and I don't accomplish it, it kind of just demotivates me. Like it demotivates me because it's like, dang, you tried to do this and you didn't do it, so you might as well not do it. But it's like, that's weird thinking. That's like, no, you tried to do this, so try again. Not you tried to do this and you didn't do it so many times over and over, so it's just like set in stone. It's like change behavior. It's the psychology degree I want to get for me. So I just got my little shrimp and I put it in the same bowl because sometimes I don't feel like doing dishes. I got the street taco shells heated up on the skillet. I'm waiting for them last two little tacos. I guess I'm gonna have 4 of these junk. I got my 4 street taco shell taco, and I got my shrimp and my cilantro and my onions. What else do I want on top of this? Some salsa. I'm gonna cook me up a piece of bacon really quick. I don't know if you've seen The Best Man, but it's like a black classic. That movie, I feel like, taught me you take everybody's life with a grain of salt because everybody has their problems. But it just taught me like whatever God's plan is, I can't let my emotions, you know, and my feelings stop the will of God. Can I push through it, or am I gonna let my feelings make every single decision for me? And I feel like I don't want my feelings to make every single decision for me, but you're not gonna stop me, long story short. However you make me feel in my journey of life, you're not gonna stop me from, you know, doing what I'm supposed to be doing, long story short. Everybody just wants to leave a mark. Everybody just wants to be motivated by something, motivated to get up and do something. Oh, I wanna taste the shrimp. Okay guys, we're almost done. We're about to pack it up. I need that bacon crispy, baby. I need that bacon crispy. I wish I had a margarita, but I don't, so I'm just drinking water. We know what we wish it was. If I had to name this dish, it would be black pepper shrimp taco or something like that. But then you got the bacon too, so it's like rowdy. I don't know what you call stuff. Shout out to people that like do food and like have their own dishes and stuff, because what do you call it to make people remember it? Like, oh yeah, nah, off bat, I got the black pepper shrimp tacos, dude. I got the black pepper shrimp tacos, man. Okay, baby, time to dig in. Not even eat, but time to make the taco. All right, I'm gonna put these on here like this. Uh-oh. Little cheese kind of gives it like a burger. It's like, it doesn't give it a burger test. That's not true. Hold on now. Samara, you're putting your foot in something. You're putting your foot in something. Let me stop. A little bit of feta cheese. Oh man. Wait till I get that camera on the ceiling and it just is like on top, or however they do that. It's like, I gotta step my game up, man. It's now or never. Hold because I want to dig in so bad. But I need a sauce. Ooh, I'm going to do a little poppy and see where that takes me. Like, I don't want to add some Parmesan. I'm sorry, I just want to add a little Parmesan. Okay. Look, guys, with poppy seed. Let me do it some justice. I'm dipping it in the poppy seed. Timara, I'm not even gonna lie. You did that. Hold on. You ever just make something so good you don't even have any words for it? Y'all, this is so cute. Looks like a little dumpling. I wish I had my nails done, so we're not even gonna get that close, but with the poppy seed, I could eat 10 of these. Maybe I should get away from the windows. Well, at this point, it's pouring down, so I'm just gonna eat. Let me make me 4 more tacos, and I'm getting ready for tomorrow. Yeah. When I said that was so good, I literally have to make me, I want to say 2 more, but I'm going to have to say maybe 3. I'm going to put 2 on the plate. Sorry, I'm over here watching some YouTube. Making some YouTube, you know. But yeah, I killed that recipe. What was that recipe? Why was it so fire? Can I do it again? Can it look like the exact same that it looked before?